Hello, everyone. Shelley here with Align My Practice. Welcome to Wisdom Wednesday and happy summer. I hope you're all having a great week so far and enjoying the summer weather. We finally are getting some sunshine here in California, so I'm very excited about that. Today's message is going to be about the importance of creating practice growth focused projects during downtime for your team members. When working with my clients in their office, one of the biggest frustrations that my doctors have or my practice managers have is the efficiency and productivity of their team members when there's downtime. So, we all know that typically in orthodontic offices, if there is going to be a lull in the day where the schedule isn't completely filled with patient appointments, it's normally going to be in the morning. And I find that doctors and practice managers are easily agitated when their team members are not being proactive about staying busy, or as some of my clients say, milking the clock. So, my question for my clients when they express that this is a frustrating part of their practice with making sure that their employees are being proactive and as efficient as possible during the downtime is, have you had a sit down conversation with them? Do they have a clear understanding on what you expect of them when there are some downtimes in the office? Most employees, if you hire right, definitely want to exceed your expectations. Most employees don't want to sit around twiddling their thumbs. They really want to be a part of your practice growth and be a contributing member. So there's basic things that can be done during downtime. We all know it. Stocking of the chairs, cleaning the brush station, dusting, all of those things, cleaning out and reorganizing. But what I really challenge you on is to think outside of the box and come up with some fun projects that are going to be practice growth focused. So I challenge you to get with your team leaders, your front office lead, your back office clinical lead, and let's come up with a checklist of things that can be done during downtime that are practice growth focused, as well as creating better flow and efficiency within your practice. And talk about it at the morning huddle. Let everybody know what your expectation is for that day. Hey, let's look at the schedule together. We have a cancellation at noon. So between noon and 1, we have an hour to spare. Let's talk about our game plan for the day and come together as a team to make that happen. I hope that helps you all. I look forward to seeing you all in 2 weeks and hope you have a great rest of your week. Take care.